Got an evaporator fan motor. Isn't working because the shaft has some wiggle room. We've got senior technician Cameron Tripp changing out the motor
What up, homies?
with a brand new replacement.
Gonna work like a glove.
Just need to wire in the 2 legs of power and we should be good.
Need them wire nuts, yo.
Oh shoot. There they are.
Orange wire nuts. Oh, where'd the other one go? Oh, there it is. Two orange wire nuts. You gotta tighten these bolts down to about 20 foot-pounds or until it, before it strips out. You don't want to strip them out. Make sure all the legs are good and intact, nothing, bracket's not broken. Our motor's not gonna vibrate. Then we can attach our 2 legs of power into the power coming in from the unit, from the evaporator. Now you always want to use an electrical fitting on these with electrical tape to ensure that secure connection. There's one. I'm pulling on all my wires. Nothing's popping out. We're good. We're good on that one. Got one more. We're going to want to tape these babies up. Put the fan blade back on. Fan guard. We should be golden.
I'll get the tape.
Got the tape going. Yeah. Now you always want to tape clockwise, not counterclockwise. When you tape clockwise, that's how your wire nut screws on. You're helping it get tight, If you tape counterclockwise, you're going to loosen that nut up, potentially. Tape. And we're going to make this as nice bunch of wires up in here. Zip tie them all together. Make it look nice spiffy. So the wires aren't going to get sucked into that fan blade, cause a short in the system. We don't want any games happening here. Don't want any more issues. We good. Cut the tail off of that puppy. Boom, boom. What now, you ask? We're ready to put the fan blade back on, baby. Put that bugger back on there. Make sure the nipples line up with the nipple holes. Run. Screw this nut back on here like a boss. Bam. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. We're gonna tighten that puppy on there. Kind of like that. Go all Hulk Hogan on that baby.
Decent.
Nice tight. We ain't gonna wibble wobble off that merry-go-round, no. No siree.
What's next? What's that?
Hey, you got this. This is the fan guard. That way you don't have anyone coming in here trying to get their ice cream saying, look at that piece of ice. Let me put my finger. So we're putting a nice fan guard on there. There's no cracks or breaks in any of this. There's no way anyone can stick their fingers in there unless they really want to. Someone's really having a bad day, says we're gonna get some workman's comp out of this. And then I've got some 5/16 screws that are gonna hold this on there. Nice and secure. And then we're gonna get up turn that disconnect back on, get power going back to this evaporator. Make sure our fans are running. You want to make sure the fans are running the right way. These are running clockwise, just like clockwork.
So while he's putting on the fan guard, I'll set up the ladder to turn on the disconnect.
This is the disconnect. Power in this evaporator. I'm gonna turn it back on. Fans will come on. Be golden. 1, 2, on.
Let's see you.
You already see if the motor's returning the right way. Let's take a look. Alright. As you can see, our left side motor, we're turning, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's turning clockwise. This motor is turning clockwise. We're getting airflow. Our coil's not going to freeze up. We're good to go, brothers. That's all there is to it.
And who are you?
This is Cameron Tripp with Northwest Heating and Air.